Haya, familia ya mzee Loseno, the PCS, the governors who are here and all protocol observed. Mimi naitwa Godfrey Osozi, Senator wa Vihiga County, Deputy Party Leader wa chama cha ODM. Mimi leo nimekuja kusema pole wale ambao wajui, mimi am also related to this family. Mnaona huyu mtoto mdogo, grandson wa Mheshimiwa Orengo, anaitwa Kendi. Jina Kendi is connected to me. Kwa hiyo I'm one of your family members. You have said all the good things about Agri. I agree with them. But there is one that I want to emphasize, that Agri was a strong family member. He loved his family, and that was better demonstrated when the daughter was getting married. He organized 3 colorful marriage ceremonies. One here in Vokoli, another one in Siaya, and another one in Nairobi. I attended 2 of those occasions. Kwa hivyo mzee, you loved your family, but God loved you more. Kwa sababu ya saa, wacha niseme kitu moja. Bwana Orengo, ulisema kwamba leo utaongea, kwamba mimi ni kuongelee. Hiyo itakuwa kazi ngumu, but I can read your mind. I know we have our 2 governors here, and we have 2 senators here. I want to say that if there is a moment that senators and governors, we are united, it is this moment. We are saying, and you heard the court saying the other day, matters to do with the roads should be the preserve of county government. That is a historic ruling, and that is a signal that all other functions that are supposed to be devolved, for heaven's sake, they should be devolved. Number 2, we are now fighting for more resources to the counties, and this time we are not going to soften. We know that the division of revenue, as a Senate, we have asked for 465 billion. But the National Assembly has decided that they cannot support us on that. We will stand firm to push for more money in our counties. Hiyo Bwana Orengo, hiyo ndio kitu ningesema hapa. Jambo la pili, nimesikia Bwana Agoi ukiongea hapa vitu, lakini anataka kuambia Agoi, nyinyi mlisaini mkataba ya 30%. ODM hatukusaini mkataba ya anything. So when you come here, you should tell us where our 30% is as a region. Hiyo nitakusikiza. Lakini wewe ukikuja hapa ukianza kulaumu ODM, ODM is not in government, for heaven's sake. You are in government. Give our people the 30% they were asked that they will be given. Then we listen to you. Jambo la mwisho, mimi, I want now to speak as ODM, because I'm the deputy party leader of ODM. Leo nimeamuka asubuhi, nimeona magazeti ati wanasema ODM has been tamed. Tamed by who? And tamed when? That because Orengo has gone to State House to bargain for his people, that the ODM has been tamed. ODM is the party that has stood for Kenyans. We may have changed our tactic from hard tacos to soft tacos, but we are for the people of Kenya. And we will continue to fight for the people of Kenya. And that is why we have a 10-point agenda MOU addressing the issues of Kenyans, including devolution, where we are asking for only 450 billion. Bwana PCS, when you go back to Nairobi, tell the president that we as ODM, we are peaceful. We will continue to push for the interest of this country, but we have that MOU of 10 points. Let him not forget the 10 points agenda. Bwana Orengo, nimeongea mambo yako ama sijaongea mambo yako? Nimeongea mambo yako? Nasema asante sana, Mungu awabariki. Mimi nitarudi hapa kuongea mambo ya siasa ya 2027 na simama na kino cha ndoa. Mama na kino cha ndoa. Asante mwana, asante barini.
Asante sana